Hi guys, it's Alejandro here from Madrid, Spain. My friends from the 2G Academy have asked me to give my testimony about the course. What can I say? Years ago I was in your situation. I really wanted to improve my skills. My background, I come from the industrial design world, and I had a passion for CGI. I loved what I saw on the internet. I wanted to improve my skills. I wanted to be the best. And I started searching for an academy who could really teach me, to go up to that level. And I took the decision. These guys were sitting at the other side of the planet, in Bali, but I decided to go for it because the quality of the work was so good that I took the risk, and it so happened it's been probably the best investment in my life. Not only I learned the best skills, but I was able to set up my own company and basically work in this industry. All I can say is the course was amazing. The support, the knowledge I received, I took in, it was really unbelievable. They really took care. They really cared about us understanding that knowledge, being able to apply it after the course. And I think not only the course was amazing, but for me the true value was the support I received after finishing the course. Because once you have the skills, the next difficult step is navigating through this industry. And they have the experience. And they care, and they're there to support you through it. So that has absolutely you can't calculate the value of that. So yeah, guys, I was in your situation. All I can say, if you have a passion for CGIs, take the step, go for it. These guys will be there for you. They'll teach you the best skills and they'll help you. So wish you the best of luck, and see you around.